Alright guys, welcome back. Astuo Burung. I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this 2019 HRV Honda. Okay, all you gotta do is play with this guy right here. So scroll down. The car is running, by the way. The car is running. Scroll down until you see, you're gonna see how much oil you have left. Keep scrolling down, you're gonna see that vehicle settings. Select it, press this one right here in the middle. So okay, scroll down until you see the maintenance info. Okay, then select it. Now it's gonna tell you how much oil you have left. Again, oil life 10%. Now scroll down until you see reset. Now select that one. Reset completed. Now you go back and see how much oil you have left. It says right there, oil life 100%. Now this is how you reset the oil life in a 2019 Honda HRV. Okay, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and please, the feedback, put it in the comment box. I need that feedback, please. I just want to make these tutorials better, you know, for you. Alright, holla at your boy. See you in the next one. Take care. Astuo Burung.